The label Made in Taiwan is seen on many consumer goods around us, such as clothing, mobile phones, tablets, and TVs. The strategy used by Taiwanese suppliers of consumer goods to combat price wars of supply chain industries in China has been to innovate aggressively in technology, expand product lines, and export quality products that cater to international markets. Candy-like green and red nylon pellets can be spun into thread to be woven into textiles. Lipeng Enterprise is the largest supplier of such pellets in Taiwan. From spinning, dyeing, finishing, to weaving, Lipeng's vertical integration produces fabrics directly from raw materials. As companies move overseas, Lipeng chose to stay in Taiwan.
西进南进不如上进。你的产业如果你没有提升你的技术，没有上进的话呢，你移到那个国外去，土地便宜，人工便宜没有错。你的同行移到那个地方去，但换个地方又不是杀的血流成河，把整个电脑资讯用到我们的制程里面来，所以我们的工厂里面全部都是自动化的。
Textiles are often referred to as a sunset industry, but Lipeng strongly disagrees with this statement. It believes one has to advance with the times and technology.
只有夕阳企业，没有夕阳产业的啦。你做电子业，你不突破、不提升，你还是被淘汰的啊。一吨的布呢，进染整厂里面去生产的时候呢，大概产生100吨的废水，100倍的废水。而且你这个染色的时候，你要加热啦，加化学药品啦，染完之后排出来呢，可能没有处理还会环境污染。所以我们现在是用不需要染色的这个纱，就是抽纱的时候就有颜色在里面。
In addition to color-fast fabrics, the latest breakthrough stems from modern consumers' desire to keep cool in summer and warm in winter, and moisture-wicking properties in sportswear. Functional fabrics bring explosive growth and business opportunities.
3到5年，有的真的7年呢。对，因为你做的东西出来，你各种功能要去测试，你这个功能呢，你可能要影响在抽纱时候的品质啦、速度啦，你都要把它克服。我们的研发中心大概有70-80位吧。
Both Nike and Under Armour have also become customers. Young Lighting, a subsidiary of Coretronic, is also aiming for tech breakthrough.
加上我们去做了个半系统，就我们讲，我们帮品牌客户把设计、连咖的外壳、ID 全部都合在一起做完了。那甚至我们到后来也帮他把触控模组也都帮顶做完了。我们现在在做医疗的系统显示器，我们也在做一些可能提款机的这些显示。
In addition to mass shipping the backlight modules for electronic displays and television screens, the LED backlight technology can also be used to make lighting fixtures thinner.
还是卡在一个就是价位的问题。那对我们来讲，我们在做这个 LED 照明，其实我们没有做一般的灯泡，或者是所谓的那种装饰用的灯。其实我们做的大部分都是给办公室，然后可能给一般的 shopping mall 啦，主要的就是大众比较工业，对，商业用的。
Young Lighting is expanding its product lines to take advantage of new market opportunities. Smartphone maker HTC also introduced various models of the mid-range Desire series to the market last year. Desire 816, 820, and I were the main driving force behind the 9.72 million smartphone shipments from HTC in Taiwan, handily beating Samsung for the shipment crown last year.
我觉得这个智慧型手机还是24小时你握在手中而且这个发展其实未可限量，因为从智慧型手机呢，可以真的是连接到智慧型的自己、智慧型的家庭等等的一直上去
Cher Wang, chairwoman of HTC, sees a bright future for HTC smartphones with a wider range of applications for upcoming products. HTC's mid-range models achieved $6.325 billion in combined export and import revenues last year, thus earning HTC the award for international trade for the top 10 exporters-importers of Taiwan. Young Lighting and Lipeng were winners in the consumer goods industry for the top 5 exporters for contribution towards expansion in target markets of Taiwan, with growth in export markets at 115% and 57.72% respectively, and outperformed in Mexico and India. Taiwanese companies have continued to innovate and solidify their importance among global consumer goods. One after after another, these 1.3-meter-wide cold-rolled coils are being readied for shipment. Taiwan's manufacturing output for 2014 stood at $602 billion, with a revised growth rate of 3.97%. The Industrial Technology Research Institute estimates that manufacturing output will reach $620 billion in 2015. Lacking access to oil or iron deposits, R&D makes Taiwan a major global player. Leading steel producer China Steel Corporation, plastics producer Formosa Plastics Group, and chemical producer Changchuan Group are the three biggest players in Taiwan.
大家都知道，中钢被列为苹果链的一部分。好，那虽然我们做的是一个很小的一个螺丝，轻量化，而且它是耐腐蚀性。结合钛金属，大家知道这是一个高质化的一个产品。
The biggest players in Taiwan have moved towards production of value-added products. In addition to Apple, China Steel is looking to biomedical and high-precision aerospace products as potential markets for titanium.
原物料的价格的变化来讲的话，事实上我们认为，钢铁的景气上来讲的话，可能是一个比较寒冬的一个市场。现在是一个微粒时代，我们希望走向一个我们的轻轨，我们的轨道工业，希望能够带动国内的一个国车国造的一个基础。
In Taiwan, China Steel focuses on light rail and wind power, and to reduce tariff overheads on exports, it's entered a joint venture with Nippon Steel in Vietnam and business partnership with Formosa Hot End Steel, increasing holdings from 5 to 25%. With the award for international trade in 2015, TAITRA Corporation is a top 5 exporter for contribution towards expansion in target markets, with more than $87 million in exports to India and Vietnam.
这产品是总产量。 从产能大概有112万吨，在世界上应该是排名第2，我们也是垂直整合，所以这部分我们的那个产品在价格上也许会有比对手有一点竞争力。
TAITRA's parent company, the Changchuan Group, uses vinyl acetate to manufacture PVA polymer. Changchuan's ability to design new formulas for raw materials means TAITRA has seen a 70% increase in production. Equally adept at vertical integration has been the Formosa Plastics Group.
台湾的石化业目前经营的环境是非常不好的，因为又有美国的页岩气的开发以后，以往内减的压力，又有大陆的煤化工，他们在发展，两边夹杀，所以非常辛苦。
The U.S. estimates that ethylene production will reach 10 million tons by 2019, while China will reach 8 million tons by 2017. By 2020, the Middle East will produce 4.8 million tons. The U.S. and Middle East use ethane feedstock priced at $136 a ton, while Formosa PetroChemical pays $545 a ton, indicating competitive advantage.
我们除了用轻油做尽量之外，我们在设计上。 我们最多可以用30% 的 LPG 做尽量，这个在亚洲地区是排名最前面的，所以呢，我们的成本会比人家要低
Raw materials manufactured by Formosa PetroChemical are sent to downstream companies like Formosa Chemicals and Fiber Corporation. Due to overcapacity in China, it now faces an important period of transition. Formosa Chemicals and Fibers PTA plant has slowly transitioned to PIA, applied in both fibers and PET bottles. PIA's price is almost double PTA's at $38 a ton.
这个产品受限2个，一个技术，一个原料。那原料呢，像我们台湾有这个芳香烃这个技术，当然我们原料可以做。
In 2014, FCFC produced 160,000 tons of PIA, which led to the closing of factories by competitors in Japan and Singapore. This year, it's on track to manufacture 180,000 tons. Formosa Plastics has also reduced costs. Water usage has been reduced by 300,000 tons a day and CO2 emissions by 9.74 million tons a year.
我们投资了大概整个企业大概投资了238.4亿元。 那投资的效益呢？一年有274.3亿。
哦，很高。
很高，对。我们还为了这个雨水台化这样的一个奖励办法，你只要回收水，你自己用不了，把这个水送给人家，我奖励你 这个收的人有1吨有2块半，你送的人也有2块半，奖励给这个厂的利益里面。
Together, FCFC, FPC, and China Steel's exports and imports reached $52.363 billion. All received the award for international trade and are among Taiwan's top 10 exporters and importers. Industries are leveraging added value products to consolidate Taiwan's global position.